Welcome back to the RV Rundown. I'm your host Barry, and today we're coming at you from Southern RV in McDonough, Georgia, where we're standing inside a Rockwood 2881S. This fifth wheel is about 33 feet long and it weighs in at about 8,800 pounds dry, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. I'm standing in the back of it now where we have this beautiful rear kitchen. It's got a huge pantry, and this can also double as a washer dryer closet. So that's pretty slick. They've gone full Magic Chef in the kitchen with a 12-volt refrigerator, microwave, 3-burner stove, and a decent size oven. Another cool thing about this kitchen is it has this huge long countertop that extends into this back nook back here. There is power, so that could be a coffee station or a wet bar. As we push forward, we find that the kitchen just extends into the entertainment center. So you could use this as a buffet or prep space. There's a Furrion smart TV up above. There's storage in behind it, Furrion headset, and a Furrion fireplace down low. That's all integrated and controlled from a single remote. Across from our entertainment center, we have a love seat that can be pulled out into a guest bed, and we have some theater seating with some storage built into it, recliners and lumbar support. One thing I didn't mention is that the booth dinette also converts into a bed, so we can essentially sleep 4 people in this room alone. As we push up into the hallway, right across from the entry door, we have our main control panel and our Go Power solar monitor system, because this is equipped with a solar panel to top off your 12-volt. The bathroom up on the top deck has a glass shower surround, some storage above the toilet, a medicine cabinet, and a decent little sink. They put a slide in the bedroom that extends into the bathroom and gives us extra storage for towels and other things of that nature. The bedroom has 2 entrances, guys, so whether you're coming from the bathroom or the hallway, it's pretty easy to hop up in here. This is a queen bed, and this is a mid-profile fifth wheel, so it dips down a little bit, but I still have plenty of headroom in here. There's storage up under the bed, but because they put this slide into the side wall here, this is where your closet ends up in this particular model. It also has some drawers down low as well. So no lack of storage. It's 50 amp service and has 2 air conditioners. Guys, we really appreciate you joining us for this super quick tour of the 2881S. Until next time, happy RVing.